The end of the world is probably one of the most debated topics on Earth. There are probably over 100 different speculations on how the world is going to end. A lot of people have different ways they envision the world ending. The religious preach that the end was via Armageddon or Judgment Day, while the non-religious had different opinions. Those who believed in science claimed that the sun would one day swell, dangerously increasing the temperature of the Earth and leaving it a scorched wasteland. Others claimed the sun would become a supernova and explode, taking the entire Milky Way galaxy with it. Then some claimed the world would meet its end the way the dinosaurs met theirs. They believed we would be wiped out by meteors. Well, they weren't too far off. The year was nearly at an end when satellites picked up a flurry of objects hurtling towards the Earth from outer space. They looked like and were shaped like asteroids, but weren't made of stone or rocks. They were fluffy and cute and looked like extraterrestrial dust bunnies. Scientists said it was cosmic dust that had somehow clumped together and gained enough mass to have destructive properties. The world watched helplessly as they made an impact on the Earth. When they hit, the world was devastated. Some crashed into the sea and, being large clumps of dust, soaked up the Earth's oceans and brought about a global drought crisis. Some landed on cities, leveling them and destroying human civilization, leaving many dead and displaced. Others landed in and around volcanic sites. They caught fire, sending up large volumes of carbon and other greenhouse gases, drastically raising the planet's temperature and altering climates and ecosystems. The entire world was in ruins, and more than half the population was lost in barely half a year since the dust bunnies hit, and more were projected to die in the following months. Earth's population further declined, and the population was estimated to be around a few 100 million. The remaining few rejoiced in surviving the apocalypse and were soon making plans of rebuilding the Earth and civilization. Earth's greatest problem of overpopulation had been eradicated. The future seemed bright. The joy of the human race was short-lived, as they soon realized that those who had died were really the lucky ones. The real apocalypse had not been from the dust bunnies. The real danger came from the nightmarish creatures that soon emerged from deep within the dust bunnies. Heaven help the survivors.